what's happening? This is Johnny Snow in the building, and here we are again. I am asking for you guys' help. I have not put a brace on the back of my NAK-9. This is the Draco. Yeah, let me flip it over, let you see this right here. There we go. See, it's the Draco. This is Draco NAK9, and I'm gonna let you guys pick what brace I put on here. I'm doing the same thing with my Pack 9. I'm gonna let you guys decide which one I should put on here. So in the comments, just hit me up, tell me which brace are you thinking would be a perfect match for this weapon. What would be a perfect match for this weapon? I have my ideas of what I would put on, and let me see if you guys line up with what I'm thinking, or maybe you guys have a different idea altogether that I haven't even thought of. So with that being said, hey, I always like to try new avenues. So go ahead, hit me up, let me know which one you think I should put on here. All right, Johnny Snow up out of here.